Hey everybody, welcome back to Conscientious Omnivore. My name is Pal. Today we're going to be harvesting our first strawberries, so this is pretty exciting. You can see a really nice one in here, you can see another one over here, and a few of the other plants also have some strawberries that are ripe now. There's a bunch that are, just starting and are still unripe, but these will be ripening over the next few days. The kind we got are called everbearing, so they don't all ripen at the same time. It just kind of keeps producing fruit all the way through. It's my understanding that the kind that kind of produce all in one batch will produce maybe more, but I like the idea of them being everbearing because then it's kind of, your risk is also spread out. So if there's any kind of like bugs or like issues or moisture or anything like that, like you're not, if you're not home that weekend or something when they all ripen at the same time or whatever, you're gonna miss them. So I just don't want to be kind of caught in that situation. I like this idea that you can just kind of come out and browse and pick off the ones that are ripe at that given moment. So yeah, they're doing great. I got to come in here and clean out more of this grass again. So my eventual goal is to mulch this area too, but I just haven't had time yet. And you can see that the raspberries are so aggressive that they're actually like growing into this area now too. So I'm probably going to be digging out some of these nicer raspberries and moving them to the other areas of the yard where I want to spread them anyway. And I think, yeah, let's just pick these strawberries. There's a couple on the other plants over here. You can actually see them from here. They are already ripening, so I'll show you guys those, and I'll show you what the harvest looks like. It's going to be a little one for now, but there will definitely be more. So here you can see the other the other little area that we planted them into, and there's some really nice ones right here and here. The other one I think has some small ones that are just growing, but they're not close to being ripe yet, so we're just going to grab these and I'll show them to you next. Alright guys, so 3 strawberries, there we go. That's what we got so far, and I'm hoping that they will produce a lot more in the future. So let's taste this and I'll let you know what they taste like. Alright, so we've tried 2 of them, and they're quite good. I think they would have benefited from just maybe like one more day on the vine. They would have gotten a little bit sweeter, maybe in another 1 or 2 days, but quite delicious. Really happy to have our own strawberries growing, and I'm looking forward to having more of them come up. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.